another quadding adventure. Today we're gonna go down behind the suburb of Abasand here in Fort McMurray. I'm just gonna cross the two main bridges here, and part of our journey today we're gonna come out and have a look at this very bridge from that valley way in there, which is the Horse River Valley. And it looks like there's a lot of ice bunched up there right now, so it'll be kind of interesting to see how far we can go. But that's the view from this side, and I'll film going the other way too. Alright, here we are again. Here's Alvin. Just the camera a little. This is the pre-damage view of the skid plate. Okay, skid plate before it gets wrecked. Still looking good. The plan is to go down there. Looks like there's some construction going on here, probably pipeline. And this whole area, I'd say 80-90% of it burned down during the fire. This is all new now. That garage there in the middle there, that survived, but in the school here, but all these buildings up here went up in smoke. The fire came up over the valley. It's pretty wild. side, but I don't think we'll get up that hill.
It goes across the river, I think, don't it?
I don't know. We'll try it. We'll see how far we can go.
It's across the river, so...
Been here lots of times in the summer, but it's been a few years. Go down the horse?
Yeah, just follow this trail.
Okay. That's crazy, that bridge. See there, you can see the old
Oh, there's the fireplace over there.
see the old chimney over there from the old house?
I thought it was along here.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it was over there. I think we can pop on this side, just off on the river on the other side there.
Well, I think we'll just cross and go on back up the hill. Because there's nothing more to explore in this area.
Alright.
This area, there's nothing else to explore because the cliff and that cliff blocks this whole channel off.
Alright, I'll follow you.
Gotta be the only bridge across the Horse River. Old cabin in here at one time. Cabin's long gone, would have burned anyway. Back 4 years ago, 5 years ago.
I've seen pictures of this before, but I haven't seen it for real.
Yeah, it's pretty neat.
Wow, man, how many fucking years has that been there, right?
Well, the plant was here in the 1930s.
Yeah.
They were mining. I remember one time I found they had a little sand pit from the oil sand they cleaned up.
Oh, yeah?
It's over on this side of the river, behind in that back. It's not a lot. They didn't produce a whole lot. It was only around for a few years. Oh man, better slow her down a little. Well, we could go here, we could just go down that way. Don't matter.
Doesn't matter to me.
Let's keep going down the river, it's fun.
Fuck, that wind's cold, man. Woo.
Yeah, it's cold air in the valley.
Oh man, it's going right up and I gotta put that belt down on again next time we stop.
Well, you can put it on now.
It's freaking miserable. My glasses are fine, lungs will move. As soon as I slow down, it starts steaming up.
Yeah. Waterfall. I've never been down here before, so I'm just kind of winging it.
I think we're just going to be riding the whole river valley here now.
I'm hoping it comes up somewhere.
At the top, we're on pipeline wise, there's a trail that branches off to the left and top it off, but I don't think we're going to meet on anything here. We might keep going to see.
I'll go a little further.
We're up off of Beacon Hill by now.
Oh, we're past that, yeah. The river's really narrow in here. Pretty crazy. Might be the end of the line. Huh. That's weird, eh? I think we're gonna turn around. It's gonna get too dangerous. Just it gets really narrow in there and rocky.
It's probably going to be a lot of ice and open ice area.
It's
probably must be some rapids along there or something in the summer, right?
probably, yeah. It'd be too hard to get through there.
Yeah,
not worth it. We'll go to.
The trail's going to come to a dead end soon anyway.
Yeah.
It's gonna stop.
Oh, that's cool. At least we've explored the river good ways. Here. Normally you just come up the old way, but
there's some steep hills there, right?
That was pretty wild coming up there.
Crazy how the river that gallows right out.
Your tires are way better than mine going up that hill.
Oh man, I hit that hump at the bottom, and I took out here, and then I come down, I hit the seat as it was bounced off the ground again. Oh jeez. I thought I did my back in, man. I was like, holy shit.
Yeah, it's fun. Take some pictures.
Yeah, it's pretty nice from here. Holy shit.
Here. I've been here before.
Have you?
Yeah. We took a wrong turn. Because that one trail only comes to this.
Let's go.
We can go that way, but I don't know where that goes.
The trail goes on and goes up something else up here.
So it goes past the cabin?
According to this.
Okay, well, let's just keep going. I've always turned around.
Huh?
Whenever I came in here, I always turned around. Like, that burned down. It used to look different. It was a lot smaller before. It burned down in the fire.
Okay.
So yeah, obviously rebuilt it.
Yeah, they might go around this, but check it out and see.
Yeah, we're not really. Let's see where this goes. right, here we are, lunch break time. Give the old iron horse a rest. Time for lunch.